Mustang Island, and I think this is a park where you can camp for free. And I don't know what's the condition here. Looks like it's so wavy and it's not permitted. I don't know what it means. There's the beach. They're hiring lifeguards. No dune darving, littering, fireworks, tiles, or glass bottles. So I don't know. Should I turn? There's looks very wavy. Flag condition is, I don't know what color that one is. Probably red. So it's either left or right. Maybe we should go right. When you don't know, go right. It's city of Corpus Christi. So basically, I don't know where you're supposed to be camp. There's a lot of people who are parked on the left side next to the water. If I'm gonna camp, I wanna camp far from the water. I don't want to get swamped with the water. It looks like they plowed this sand. You can see it's plowed. This side is farther out, and it seems like the sand is not that soft, but it is very rough. You probably can feel it. So I don't see any campers yet, only picnickers, and there's like deep ruts, so must be the sand is probably soft. So I don't know, there's a sculpture. The water probably gets up to here, and I don't know where I can camp. Doesn't say. There's a sign there. Maybe we should go look at the sign yet. But it's not like Surfside Beach where the sand is packed. This one looks like it's loose. So there's 102, and more cars parked there. There's some private houses there on the right. So they numbered their trash. At least there's trash service. So there's an access there probably for the private road, private houses, beach access bridge. Someone is walking there, and I see some signs there. Maybe we can check out the sign there and see what it says. But it looks like you need four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive here. Hopefully we don't get stuck in the soft sand. Looks like a nice place to camp, but I'll have to check first. It says there is State Park. Maybe we're not gonna go there. It says State Park. No overnight camping. So that side says State Park, no overnight camping. Let's go check. So this side going that way is Mustang Island State Park. No overnight camping. They use only no alcohol, no pets. Pets by leash. So this is the beach, and maybe I should go that way, go back left side, let's see, because probably this side you can overnight, so I think so. Sun is showing up. I want to recharge my battery, but it looks good. still wavy, and there's high dunes here, so we'll see. Okay, this is March 2, March the 2nd, and I'm sure Mustang Island State Park, it says no overnight camping, so you cannot overnight camp here. And I know this side you can overnight, but I talked to a lady who was visiting here. She said they have a flyer for spring break, and overnight camping here for 3 days starts on Monday, which is next week. So I'm a week early, since today is Tuesday. So I think I'll probably have to move and come back here whenever I have time, maybe next week. But it looks like it was a good trip. I was able to come here, visit South Padre Island, Corpus Christi area. So, and I like this beach because the phone signal is very strong for my T-Mobile. So I guess if I'm going to camp here maybe next week, if I'm coming back, and now the sun is coming out, I want to recharge my battery, but let me check. I want to check to see if it's really, I have my Wi-Fi on, but anyway, I want to check to see if it's really fast. Then maybe I can camp here again when I come back. But for now, to make sure I don't get waken up by a ranger or anybody else, I would just move, go back to Indianola probably, or I can also go to the South Padre Island. There's a South Padre Island and a North Padre Island, and I think they have also beach camping there, but I don't know if it's not open yet. I don't want to start sleeping and then getting waken up and have to move, and it's really far from everywhere else. So there's a North Beach I can go and just check it and then head back to either Magnolia Beach or Indianola. There's a car coming here with the lights on top. Maybe that's a ranger. I will have to see. And I got Mustang Island, Padre Island. I need to get that one. Looks like 2728. I got the wrong 274774. Maybe this is the correct one. Maybe I can put that in. Just so now I'm just touring, so I'm basically a tourist now, trying to go to this, just check out these islands or beach camp area and see. But for now, since I'm not sure, I'm not gonna stay here. I still have few hours of daylight, so I can just I'm just entering the coordinates, GPS coordinates for the North Padre Island. They have also a camping there. I want to see. They're probably very close to here, so please bear with me. I'm sorry I'm doing it while I'm talking, because I want to save some time and go take a video at least of North Padre Island and decide. I want to check also to see if they have nice phone. So it just looks like it just drives straight, so it's on the other end of this beach campground. So with that, I wasted my time because I cannot recharge. Maybe I'll recharge there, but I'll move just so I will be able to get a video of that side. Okay, I will be driving. Bye bye, see you soon. soft sand. So it's a soft sand. So those are, sorry, looks like those are county workers with the truck and the light. Maybe we can have some, we can ask them some questions. I don't know. Asked him, but he passed me, so maybe not. So I'm not sure. Well, oh well, since we're not sure, I'll just go to the North Padre Island. Maybe there's some signs there that will tell me it's okay to camp. But anyway, this sand is soft, and but some parts like this part, it's been packed down because a lot of cars or trucks been driving over here, but there's still soft sand, so it's like driving in a snow, but it looks okay. If there's a way I could camp here, if I see any camper with tents, maybe that's way. Check out that side. Let's see. But it looks like this is the exit. So since we're not sure, I'm not gonna.
After 250 feet, bear left.
Stay here.
Access road 2.
But this is nice area. Okay, we'll go to
Go straight ahead.
this is going out to road to access.
After 1/4 mile, turn left.
And I'm gonna go and it's only 24 minutes to North Beach of South Padre Island. Okay, I will see you soon. I'm just gonna switch off and try to look for the other one. Okay, bye.